Hi, Kuya Phil. Archers ka ba? Kasi pinana mo yung puso ko. Well, anyway, Kuya Philip, I'm Nika Delia de Lassie, your diehard fan from Iloilo, and I just want to say thank you because you gave me an inspiration towards my studies, and not only that, napapasaya mo ko in simple ways, and I just love it. And Kuya Phil, hope you'll enjoy watching this video, and I'm hoping that someday we could be friends kahit sa Twitter man lang. Thank you once again. Enjoy watching and thank you. Bye.